Hello, today is Saturday, April 27th, 2019. We'll go over our calls, make a prediction for Monday. We had an optional price target 29.3308 and that printed. Note the support under that price. We felt Thursday's pattern was a negative one, that if we started to drop like a stone, it could be the end of the up move, and the prices really had to exceed the high of the day, preferably early, to avoid a big drop. We did undercut this low in futures, and if we had held it, I really think that would have been hard to recover to new highs. But futures can lie and cash won't. And even though we had a big drop, we had an all-day rally within a point and a fraction of the all-time high. We do have some new targets for Monday. Let's go over the pattern. As always, if we gap up smartly, these are out of reach. At least I'm not predicting they won't print, but I won't predict they will. But if we don't gap up smartly, those are my targets. Early on, we got an ultimate sell signal, hasn't been satisfied. MEJT says the rally's false, gives us these targets. Got an ultimate buy signal here, said this rally would retrace, this drop would retrace, says this rally will retrace. Here's the target. So MEJT doesn't believe this. Well, there are good things and there are not so good things. Let's go over them and let's make a plan. First, let's review where we are in the path. Here's where we stand. You'll notice you've had a strong rally to, but not through, the apex of this triangle. It's a normal resistance area. If we're going to break through, we should gap over that. And I'm not calling an end to this move here, but if we do start to drop, I have a count that works. Usually when you rally all day like this, especially on a Friday, it's going to continue when you open Monday. That's what you expect. And if it doesn't happen, it's a sign of bad things to come. I'm normally leery of a hops and close right at the high of the day and a wall right into the close. But if you're an all-day rally, it's going to work half the time and it's not going to work half the time, and I can flip a coin and get the same result. Makes me a bit suspicious here. Not enough to go short over the weekend, but makes me suspicious is 5 minutes before the close, we were at this price, and despite rallying all day, we hadn't overtaken any of these highs. Makes this late rally somewhat spurious, and if it's false, we'll reverse it by gapping down sharply, at least under this low, and preferably, believe it or not, under this one. I'm not predicting that'll happen at all, but if this is a false move, you'll get a strong reaction down. So here's our plan. And what's positive is an all-day rally, particularly on Friday, should continue higher. If we gap down smartly instead, look for more trouble. So low to high day Monday tends to be a rally day and close near the high, unless there's a big drop in the first 1 to 2 hours. What's not so good is lower MEJT targets, the hops and close, and the rally to trendline resistance right at the apex of the triangle. I look for this. I think the odds are we're going to gap up. Not a lock, but I think we'll gap up. If we gap down instead, that's trouble. I think after gapping up, prices should reverse, probably hit a low after an hour of trading. If the expected drop is small, if the gap up is small and the drop is small, we could still have a strong rally day. Depends how much of a drop it is. If we get a strong gap up, I think that'll settle the issue. I think we'll continue higher. But if we gap up, if the drop we get at the bottom of the first hour of trading is big, I think the MEJT target should print within their preferred time frames. I expect further weakness before the rally resumes. So for Monday, I'm going to be looking for how high up we go, if we go up at all, how far down we drop. And I think that'll give us a clue as to what's coming next. Even if we drop, I'm not convinced this rally's over, but it doesn't mean we'll go up in a straight line. This late up move needs confirmation by gapping up Monday. And we should know at the open if that's going to happen, and that's today's call.